Hey guys, welcome back to Texas Mommy. Today we're going to go ahead and be getting into this cleaning video. And as you can see guys, we are doing a bathroom cleaning this week. So what I decided to do is go ahead and divide up my house for every week. That way, if you need to be motivated just to clean one aspect of your house, you will have a video to click on that will motivate you to clean that specific room. So hope you enjoy this video, guys. And just to let you know, guys, don't forget to check down in the description box. I will have everything listed that I use to clean my bathroom with, every product. I will also have the link to Grove Collaborative. That way you can go check them out. They have a really cool offer right now. So I would love for you guys to go check that out. Also, if this is some kind of videos that you would like, cleaning videos like this or lifestyle mommy videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave. And also, if you have hit the subscribe button, don't forget to hit the bell as well. That way you can be notified each time I go ahead and upload a video. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video and I was able to motivate you to go ahead and go clean up your bathroom as well. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, and also don't forget to subscribe if this is the kind of videos that you enjoy watching. See y'all next time. Bye.